A New Jersey man says he was harassed by police, and to prove it, he recorded his own video. But the officer's camera may show something else. CBS 2's Christine Sloan has this exclusive story.
Are you detaining me? Are you detaining me? And my mother's on her way, and I'm not getting out.
Leonard Cephas posted this video on YouTube claiming police harassment.
And I'm scared right now for my life because stuff are happening to black people, and I'm scared right now.
What the suspect didn't know, these lights activate cameras, and police dash cam video from that night tells a whole different story.
You were speeding, okay, on a residential area.
Dash cam video also shows Cephas running a stop sign, but North Brunswick police officer Richard Dela Cruz becomes suspicious after the 29-year-old hands over his license and insurance card.
I smell weed coming from me. Why did you remove your seatbelt and step out of the vehicle?
Cephas refuses, rolls up his windows and locks his doors.
Leonard, open the window.
For 30 minutes, the officer patiently pleads with Cephas at least 20 times.
Leonard, listen to me.
Cephas calls 911. Other cops show up. The officer asks his supervisor what he should do.
I am getting the scent of marijuana. I'm taking out his window, okay.
When he smelled marijuana, he's obligated then to get that driver out of the car and see if he's impaired.
If you don't roll down your window and step outside, we're going to break your window.
After banging on the window with a baton, police break it with a tool.
He just asked me to step out of my car without any reasoning or probable cause.
He said he smelled pot?
I don't believe that's true. When they went in my actual car.
Supervisors say Officer Dela Cruz was calm under pressure, not knowing what Cephas would do next. In North Brunswick, New Jersey, Christine Sloan, CBS 2 News.
Cephas was released. He's due back in court next month.
I smell weed coming from me.
I'm scared right now for my life because stuff are happening to black people, and I'm scared right now.